Here we have the 3-liter Duramax Diesel AC Delco oil change kit with D-Max Store oil plug. You're going to go ahead and pop the hood. Slide a drain pan under the vehicle to catch the oil. Loosen the 15mm drain plug. Drain the oil into the pan, and then you're going to remove the oil filter. We use an oil filter wrench just to remove this. It is a tight fit, so just make sure you get it loosened up, and then you can do the rest by hand. Make sure the drain pan is under this, as there will be a lot of oil coming out. It is normal to have black engine oil in diesel trucks, as it is generated during the combustion process. Here you can see the 7 quarts of AC Delco Dexos D light duty diesel motor oil. This is 020, part number 10-9277. Here's the oil filter that you'll be using. This is the OEM installed oil filter, AC Delco PF66, and this is the D-Max Store magnetic drain plug. You're going to go ahead and install the drain plug into the oil pan once all the oil has been drained. Go ahead and tighten the drain plug. Just get it snug, as it does not need to be that tight. You're going to torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Be sure not to over-torque these drain plugs, as they may strip. Then remove the AC Delco oil filter from the package. Here you can see this is the AC Delco PF66, the genuine GM OEM installed oil filter. Now go ahead and open your Dexos D light duty diesel motor oil. You're going to get a small amount on your fingertip and lubricate the O-ring. Go ahead and install the oil filter onto the engine. Once it hits the sealing surface, go ahead and rotate it an additional 3/4 to 1 full turn. Here's the 7 quarts of engine oil ready to be poured into the engine. Go ahead and take out the dipstick. We like to spray the dipstick with brake clean so the oil adheres to it better to get a more accurate reading. Go ahead and put a funnel in there and pour in the 7 quarts of AC Delco oil. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the vehicle to make sure there are no leaks and reset the engine oil lag. Just scroll through the information pages until you get to oil life. Hold down the enter button and it will reset to 100%. Go ahead and check under the vehicle to ensure there are no leaks. Pull out the dipstick and verify the level. Here you can see it's slightly low, so we did add a little bit more fluid. Remove the funnel. Go ahead and install the oil cap. Now you're done with an oil change on your 3-liter Duramax Diesel.